Hello everybody, Aradhana Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhana, Mindset Coach, Body Whispering Facilitator, Blockchain Entities Facilitator, and many more. So looking forward for the second part of today's question because I lost my voice. I lost my voice on the Insta in the world. What else is possible? So yes, truth, what justifications are you using to not live your greatness? Come on, let's just play today. Today I have some time on my hand. I'm happy to play if anybody wants to play with me here. So what are these justifications actually creating for you? What is it? What is it? And what is your true greatness? Do you ever invite anybody to with them by being you, or are you actually trying to fit in, as somebody just said? Ankita just said that we are always pleasing others. So how many of us are just pleasing others? So would we like to change that today? Would we like to actually how do we change? It's not about people ask me this question all the time. How do I change? First, by acknowledging it, first by observing it and seeing it in your world that yes, I am actually pleasing people. I am actually waiting for somebody. And I was sharing that I was talking to my friend this morning, and it was like at that very point, and we just saw about that tsunami and where the fire. I think I'm forgetting the name of the space, where this place where there's a volcano erupted in the sea, right? And there's a tsunami going on. And I'm like, wow, there people are running here. We are getting up and we are complaining in the morning. Oh, I have reached this level of consciousness. I have reached this level of consciousness. I mean, we all are walking, talking maestros of our life. We can just change everything by being present with everything, by being conscious. You can change the shape and size of every single molecule if you choose to, if you trust that you can. But would you actually choose that greatness of yourself, or will you keep showing yourself small, miniature, mediocre to actually acknowledge others and to make others greater than us? How many of us are doing that? How many of us are giving those justifications and waiting for others to come and acknowledge us, say us that how amazing we are or how amazing we are not? Right? So everywhere we all were waiting, are we today willing to see it that nobody's gonna come, guys? Nobody is there. There's no person on the white horse coming and sitting and taking you and acknowledging you that, hey, you are so amazing, you are so pretty, you're this, you're that. And we're just like, you are the one. If you're not going to be that energy for you, trust me, nobody's going to be that for you. So everything that is can be destroyed and get all right and all good and bad pot pock unless your boys and beyonds. Everybody joining in, Gitanjali, Sachin, I'm awesome. Thank you, Vagisha. Everybody joining in. Welcome, good morning again and happy morning. So Shrey says, hiding my greatness shows others I'm humble and that makes me special. Amazing, Shrey. I love that. Keep hiding. And if that is it, and probably what if that is we want to feel like, we want to experience, and that is the only experience of being called special, if that is serving you, well, I just want you guys to see it. It's not wrong, it's not right, no polarities in it. And if that keeps you happy, to just make you special, cutting down yourself, keep cutting down yourself, and there's so much you can receive. And there are different possibilities. And thank you for saying that, Shrey, because once you've acknowledged it, now you always remember that you have this choice. Either you keep being humble and being nice, or live it, because you've got this lifetime in this body called Shrey, or this lifetime I got my, or somebody has got like Malini or Geetu. We are actually pretending to be Geetu, we're pretending to be Shrey, we're pretending to be Aradhana, right? So this is all we are playing in this reality, and it's just a choice. So yeah, that was very beautifully said, Shrey. Thank you. So they don't feel lesser. They don't feel. Can you make anybody feel anything, Geetu? My question, really? Can anybody really make anybody feel or do anything? You must be joking. It's only little kids who can do it, and that also these days kids would not listen to you. And so you love to control, and I this morning gave up my control because I looked into my world that OMG, quietly, subtly, I loved controlling. And I hated that about my mom and my mom showed up, and I was like, God, man, what's going on in my world? And I was literally, in that mode of like blasting myself that what is this whole? And I was like, okay, I choose to know it, and universe, show me what is it, and asked all the elementals to kind of contribute. And it popped up in my world that shit, I have love controlling people, love changing people underneath. I'm not an allowance of people who they be, what they be. And today I'm like, okay, this is changing now. Done that, been there, controlled, and judged my mom, judged everybody on the planet. Enough. This is my time, and I sent my gratitude. I was so grateful to, my mom, my family, that, these people bring these things up in me. They pop up and then they go. And then I feel more joyful. I know my technique of being joyful. Do you know? Are you willing to choose your greatness? Because I'm choosing to be my greatness, for sure. Bhavish Nishita says, happy morning, Shivani. We are your rituals, and we are definitely not waiting. Yes, Shiva. Rituals are not allowed. Sorry. Rituals are roaring. They are not allowed, Shivani. I'm changing. Rituals are changing. That's it. We stand by our tags. So yes, we are not. Thank you. Vishal, Deepthi, happy morning. Hello. Anybody has any questions around it and justification and the greatness? What is true greatness for you? Look into your worlds. Are you being, when you are not judging you, when you're not judging others, when you're being you, that is true greatness. That when you're willing to shine, get up in the morning like sun, willing to shine in the world as who you be without any shame, any regret, any guilt. That is being true greatness, and actually inviting the world to be the greatness they be. Being that space for people that yes, be you, no judgment there. Are you choosing to be that? If not, is now the time. Just a question in your world. And now coming to our happy bodies. How's the body? What's up with your body, guys? Scanning them, loving them, taking them for dates. How's your date with yourself, with your bodies? Are you been enjoying your dates with yourself, or given up? Or you're bored of yourself? I am like, I get bored of myself very fast, and I totally get why people get bored of me, for sure. I know you must be thinking you will not get bored of me, but you would. And because I am, the day I choose different, everything will be changing. So I choose it right now. Dancing body. Awesome, Shivani. Beautiful. So my body is also shining. It's been playing a lot. And I'm very, very grateful. It's been creating joy in my world. It's just, every day my body is changing. My body, see, I'll introduce. Come here. Come, say hello. Here is my body example. I'll just show you two guys. See? I have a little baby around me who shows me how to be with bodies. And can you imagine? This is so amazing, freaking me out right now. Because today's play was eat like babies eat. And my baby comes here, which is like, wow. I'm like, how did he know at the right point he enters my room, my nephew here? And he's like, hello, good morning. And I'm like, wow. Thank you, Adit. I love you. Bye. So this is how universe has your back. It is so cute. He just came here to remind me this is your play today. Acceptance for everything, sweetheart. Dr. Vagisha. Acceptance is very, very heavy. When you're accepting, you're forcing yourself that whatever is, this is who I be, and you're sad about it. Is that an acceptance, or you have to be in total allowance? Hey, greatness is not acceptance. Greatness is allowing yourself, being an allowance of yourself, being that energy of yourself to be that greatness for yourself. To be that whosoever you be, good, bad, ugly, this is who I be. Take me, leave me. I'm choosing to be me. If you be that, everything can change. Everything can change. You can just see a molecule, just watch a molecule, and you can ask it to melt just by your presence, guys. This is how magical you all are. But we don't acknowledge that we are that magical. I come here, give you tips, go play with them. Take anything and play with it. Okay, today I just choose to change this thing. What else is possible? Show me some magic, show me some joy. Like this morning, I was like, okay, today I'm free. What do I do? I was like, okay, show me some magic. How can I make my day more joyful, more fun today? And the moment I get that space, and oh, I'm bored. I said, no, I'm not getting bored. I'm having fun today. What joy and fun can I add to my life today? So, what joy and fun can you add to your life today, to your greatness? Are you willing to show up? Yes, my body is becoming lighter day by day, and I think it's preparing to fly. Yes, awesome. Bhava says, being a giver, however, we think people pleasing is not needed, but still, how we can acknowledge that we are pleasing people to some extent. Aha. It's like when you think, Bhavaz, you said being a giver, however, we think people pleasing is not needed. But, so which means it is needed. It is very much needed in your world. Your need has become of needing people greater than you. Okay, give me an example. Why do you need anybody more? Why is anybody needed? It's just a choice that you have. And if you remember you have a choice, the need goes over. Body is much on relaxing mode. Awesome. Don't want to work being lazy. Awesome. Wish. All right. So guys, today with the body, just acknowledge. Hope that answers Bhava's BHAVZ. If you have a question, I'm happy to go further with it, and you can ask me more. All right, meanwhile, let me get to the body. So, love your bodies, hug your bodies, love your, and wherever the judgment is. Okay, let's just take this. Next, we still have like 15 days for this month to finish. So, whatever body part you hate, promise me or promise yourself that you're going to look it with total humbleness, total joy, total receiving mode of acknowledging it that I did create you and I'm grateful for you. All your judgments, to keep watching that every morning when you get up, every time you're there, whenever you're judging, change it and send your gratitude to that part of the body and ask what else is possible. Just be in presence with that. Just be conscious about it and do not judge it. Are you addicted to judgment? Can you actually, you want to change the world? If you want to change people, don't do this, don't do that, change this. First, change yourself. First, be present with no judgment on that body part and that area of your body and see what it changes. Ask what is it gifting you that you're not acknowledging. Cool? That is one. Today, number two is, the tip is, of course, I've given you hot water. So today, second tip is never fill your stomach to the core. Always leave it little empty before your stomach is totally filled. And third, eat like baby. Babies eat only, and they cry only when they're hungry. They eat only when they're hungry. And they don't eat these bites. They eat to the contentment that they're happy. So what if you today can actually, baby does not mean you go little mini, go as per your size, whatever your body is asking, but be present with every bite, like how it used to be said by our adults, our parents, that always be quiet, be silent when you're eating, and be present with the food. So be present with the food. The moment your taste changes, stop. Your mind would say eat more, but stop and see how your body reacts if you're willing to change it. So these are the tips for people who are into it and playing with this whole challenge. All right, Tushar, hello. Why does my body feel heavy? Would that be a judgment? Is it yours? Why is not a question. What is it? Is it yours? If not, Megha, who does it belong to you? Can you send that back? And if you are making heavy is wrongness in your world, then of course it's a judgment, and heavy is never ours. And that's being that you're not present. So ask that heaviness, acknowledge that heaviness, and ask it to leave your body and giving you the information. And be patient, be okay, be present with it, it will flow. It's Bhaveen. All right, sorry. Thank you. Thanks for the clarity, Radna. Welcome, Bhaviz. Ask Bhaveen. Thank you for asking. There are lots of past experiences locked up in the body. Wow, awesome. So you got it, Radhika. You have so many experiences locked up in the body. Let them go. Now you have acknowledged, why are you holding them? It's like, will it take a process? Will you have to sit down? Will you have to put your legs up to take those experiences locked out? Once you have acknowledged them, let them flow out. How about the curved shoulders and slouching? the burden of the past. You yourself said past experience locked. So you're holding the burden and pushing, pulling, and your body is done with it. And it's like, okay, this is how it happens. Why does the shoulders get curved and slouched? Ma'am, what if someone else is making fun of my body part? Should I burn with killing energy? Should you? Would you? I mean, if they are judging that, they are judging about themselves. How jealous are they? I love such people who are jealous of my body or they're judging my body. I'm grateful. What information are they gifting me? And yet, maybe they're jealous of my body part. If it is interesting point of view, they have this point of view. Ankita, where is the tool? When would you use? Komal, baby is teaching us so many things, and very stupid people doesn't grab the knowledge they are giving us. We choose to be stupid. We choose to be unconscious. Stupid is what? Just being unconscious and not willing to be present. And that's also a choice. For me, stupid people also have a choice. So let them be. Amazing. Thank you so much. Awesome. What do you mean by killing energy? Killing energy is where are you willing to kill people? Killing is killing. What does killing mean? Can you energetically kill somebody? Anuja, what is it for you? No, Shivani. No contributions for your headache. Keep holding, keep dying, keep crying, keep be pathetic. I'm flowing all the headache today to you. My gift to you. As much as you want today, blast it out. Keep holding point of views in your world. Don't change your reality. Don't show your mom that you're happy. Don't show the world that you're happy. This is how you control the world and you control yourself. Now your choice. Samir, hi, gratitude for the tips. This is so expansive. Awesome, Malini. Awesome. Love your body. Yes. Of course, my body is yummy. I love my body too. Thanks, Swati. Responsibilities for others as well. Yeah. Can you? Okay. Responsibility, again, I'll repeat, is an ability to respond quickly. Do you have to do that for others unless they're asking you to do? Or you're holding it for yourself? Just a choice, Radhika. Ankita, Shivani says, we are missing you in the money workbook. Join in, jump in, Ankita. Swaneet, hello, Komal, hello. Awesome. Great, guys, that was it. And hope that contributes and hope your bodies are doing well. All the justifications, remove them. Choose your greatness. If not, be pathetic like Shivani. I'm joking, Shivani. I'm gifting you and sending your way whatever you truly, truly desire from your within. And look into your world what you're asking for. Is this working? Is this headache really, really working? Whatever it requires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. To all of you, and much, much, much gratitude. And yes, I am actually creating my first body whispering class on the 5th and the 6th of February. I'm damn excited about just how we can listen to the whispers, how we can touch the bodies, and this is an exciting class for me, something to do with the bodies, and I love body. Always wanted to be doing with something with the bodies, yes. So anybody willing to play, come join me for this body whispering class, which is in the February. And also, I forgot, I am starting a club, guys. Club Be the Change. Anybody wants to be the change, come join me. There'll be 12 calls over a year. And it starts from the 6th of February. Every month there'll be a topic and there'll be a call. And there'll be a special discount on Be the Change classes for people who are in the club. And there will be a lot of surprise gifts from me. I just choose somebody to make it into any classes, except the access in the other classes. It's just my choice. It's like I just feel like I gift it to people. So yes, there's so much and I was like, why not? Let's have the club of Be the Change. So it's 12,000 for 12 months. It's just 1,000. But if you're not joining and if you want to join the calls, there's a separate price for every month. But those people do not get those benefits of the club. So if you love to be with me every month and interesting topics would be showing up, and let's see what shows up every month. It'll be an hour and 30 minutes call. A lot of fun to be together and be the change. So anybody choosing it, come join us. Get in touch with the team, register, and the first call starts 6th Feb. Beautiful. So I'm very excited. The creations. Thank you for each one of you. So many ideas popping up, so many things showing up. World is becoming greater and greater and bigger. Keep contributing, and all my love to you, whatever I can be for you. And anybody requires anything from me, I'm happy to, gift you here. I do not do it on my one-to-one or onto, for that you'll have to take a session. But yes, I'm always happy to contribute here. If you have a question, you're most welcome to ask me. I'm always happy to contribute. I'm a rock star. You guys make me a rock star. Yes, I am a rock star. I love myself. I love the creations. Easy for a situation, please. Done whatever you required. Everybody here, whatever you require. Be that energy, pull the energy from me, guys. I'm happy to flow it to you, and be that radiance, be that space when you will change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Chalo. Bye. Have fun.